Okay, so I want to try to make cinnamon rolls with my bread machine. So obviously I'm not gonna like make the cinnamon rolls like in my bread machine, but I want to make the dough with my bread machine because I make pizza dough with it and it always turns out really good. So I'm thinking that if I can make the dough in my bread machine, then I can just like put them together and have like fairly easy cinnamon rolls. So I'm just gonna try to find a recipe on my phone and then I will show you guys how it goes.
I would like to have it back. It's broken and far from intact. And I stay.
Okay, we have a recipe.
Couldn't wait for the first kiss. Here comes the complications, and now we're slowly fading. I know what's on your mind, but now it's time to move on.
Okay, so I'm halving the recipe and it calls for 1 cup of milk, so I'm obviously doing half, and then it says 2 eggs room temperature, but I don't have time to let my eggs come to room temperature, so what I did instead was heated up my milk in the microwave so that it's warm milk, and then I'm hoping that that, like, I don't know, fixes the fact that my eggs are cold.
Really run, we're not stuck and we're not free. I wonder if we'll ever be. And as dangerous as it is, we couldn't wait for the first kiss. Here comes the complications, and now we're slowly fading. I know what's on your mind, but now it's time to move on. Enough with all the answers. There's nothing here to light up. In time we'll meet again, so please just let me go. Would you like to come along? Just as afraid to know that you're home, just like you did before. Honey, there is nothing wrong. Change your pace in the right direction.
And I'm very concerned. Look at the, oh shit, I can't see what you guys see. The dough looks like not right. I don't know what to do. Ah!
It's on your mind, but now it's time to move on. Enough with all the answers. There's nothing.
Okay, so I think that was a bust. So, see how it's like dry?
Tonight, I wonder if you're alright. Whenever you want me back, I'd love to fight. Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can.
The first batch was a total fail, so I tried again. I had halved the recipe the first time, so this time I did the full recipe and it looks so much better. So if you just look, this is the dough. It's all rised and fluffy and nice, and I'm going to turn this into cinnamon rolls now.
I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around? When clouds roll in and cover the moon, will we manage to stand the ground? Without you I'm an only tree, cold, naked, lost in faith. And what's an island without a sea? For you I'll hold the weight. But I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you. Yeah, I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I walk a million miles for you, 'cause you're mine, 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 We got time on our side, we're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. I wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. When you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still water's running.